Good morning, everybody. I am going to deliver a topic on flipped learning mechanism with a focus on virtual or remote triggered laboratories, especially in the scenario of engineering with modernized techniques, how it can be possible, and what are all the various architectures in this presentation. This is a premiere of today's webinar. I am requesting every one of you to join for the webinar. So these are the overview that I am going to deal, especially related to this webinar. Flipped learning mechanisms, existing methods, renowned sources of virtual labs, real-time scenario and hands-on experience with live examples related to the virtual and remote triggered laboratories. The architectures will be discussed. Some live examples and gadgets related information also be delivered. Virtual related laboratories and corresponding links extracted from 65 different research papers and sources are listed in this presentation, and the live system, how it is going to work, and all these things will be discussed. Finally, a game is also going to be at 20th minute of the presentation, only for 50 users, whoever is alert at that instance of time. Best wishes. The webinar is going to be scheduled at 11 o'clock today on 13th May 2020, and the Zoom link will be shared with every one of you accordingly. Thank you.